This is the all-new version 3 LDU. This can be connected to all hydraulically operated machines. This is the tablet. The LDU case. And the LDU. And all connecting cables. Here you can see the LDU itself, charging cable, ambient temperature probe, connection to the heating element, hydraulic sensor and connectors, tablet and tablet charger. The hydraulic cables connect directly to the basic machine. Then we connect the heating element to the LDU. And last, the ambient temperature sensor. Perfect. The LDU has two status lights. No light means off. Hold. Solid red light means it is turning on. And blinking light means ready to connect. Here we go. The LDU connects via Wi-Fi. Should come up in your local Wi-Fi. There we go there. Smart DWFL, and it will show the serial number there. Connected. We'll then go to the Data Logger app. You may choose user, operator level, language. We can enter and ensure the test is working. Here we can see. So current bar level, temperature of the heating mirror, ambient temperature. That's the GPS there, along with altitude, and we have the battery life of the LDU. To start a weld, you may press forward. Here you see the machine data, in our case a PT250. This will show cylinder size, serial number, and last revision date. In this position here, we may put operator, which is myself, and license expiry date, and you may take a photo of the operator. Here you see pipe 1 data, which is the left side. Whenever entering a machine, we have the diameter, S.r.l welding standards, which can be changed, in this case DBS, material, and then piece as well, which can be different fittings. More information can be added there depending on your needs, and you may also take a photo again. Same here, but for the right side, pipe 2. Copied from pipe 1, all of the information is copied over. Should it be any different, you can change it here and also take a photo. Here you'll see the welding type again, as this is suitable for PL workshop machines where you may change the angle and the welding type. Here you may see the calculated data for the weld you have set up in this case a 250 SDR17. We can see our pressure in bars and the time it will take at each phase. Also shows the desired bead and desired temperature. Here you may enter additional data for your project, such as weld numbers, names, and batch numbers. And now we may say, yes. Here you can take a photo of the alignment should you need to. Now we may check the alignment. Now we can get our drag pressure. We have our drag pressure. Now we can go next. Awesome. Now is a good opportunity to set up your weld pressure from this point here. In this case, 33 bar. Perfect. 33 on the gauge, 32 there, perfect. Come back. Perfect, now we can start a weld. Start. Now we're at our bead up. Now that we have got our bead, we may release the pressure. Down to the desired line. Perfect. Now you can see the red line there is the target line to stay under. And now we are in heat soak. Time countdown there. Will start automatically. Perfect. Now we have cool down. The goal is to stay within the red lines there shown. So that is the target pressure. Cool down time shown as well. Perfect. You can take a photo of the completed weld should you want to and create a PDF here. Once the PDF is created, you can see here that it is saved on the device and can be shared by any Android connectivity that you have. Okay, now back to the main screen. Now if we go back to the main here, File Manager, it is Documents, we can see here the latest document. Here we have a PDF showing all information of this weld performed. As you go down, all information showing no errors, and the weld graph here. Beautiful. As you would go down, you would have the photos you took along the way below. Lovely.
Remove the pipe and we finish.
Kill. Pressure removed.